तो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं BL शर्मा, मैथ्स will discuss with you exercise 5.1 of class 8 mathematics NCERT, and this is chapter number 5, data handling, and this is part 3. So here is the question number 1 of exercise 5.1 on your screen. For which of these would you use a histogram to show the data? The question is, for all the data, what can we use histogram here? So for the histogram, students, we need class intervals. And first part is the number of letters for different areas in a postman's bag. क्या हम नंबर ऑफ लेटर डिफरेंट एरिया के लिए पोस्टमैन बैग के लिए क्या हिस्टोग्राम बना सकते हैं? वी कैन से नो द नंबर ऑफ एरियाज, बिकॉज द नंबर ऑफ एरियाज कैन नॉट बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इन क्लास इंटरवल्स. 10 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 8 ये एरियाज को इस तरह से हम डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. दैट इज व्हाई the number of letters for different areas in a postman's bag cannot be we cannot use a histogram to show the data or to represent the data. Part 2, the height of competitors in an athletic meet. Can we show the data through histogram? Yes or no? The answer is height of competitors can be divided into intervals. कॉम्पिटिटर्स की हाइट को हम इंटरवल में उनकी हाइट को इंटरवल में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. देखिए कैसे. We can see the height of a student 150, 160, 160 to 170 centimeter, 170 to 180 centimeter, 180 to 190 centimeter can be the height of the competitors. So here we can have the class interval for this part. Second means the height of competitors can be divided into intervals. Therefore, we can use histogram here for this. So the answer of this part second is yes. For the third part, the number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. क्या हम इसके लिए हमारे पास क्लास इंटरवल है? देखिए, companies cannot be divided into intervals. Therefore, we cannot use histogram here. तो थर्ड पार्ट के लिए हम इसके लिए हिस्टोग्राम का यूज नहीं कर सकते. And now the fourth part, the number of passengers boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. at a station. क्या सुबह 7 से लेके शाम को 7 बजे तक हम नंबर ऑफ पैसेंजर्स बोर्डिंग करते हैं उनको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, उनकी गिनती कर सकते हैं? यस, यू कैन फाइंड आउट. 7 to 10 a.m. 1500. This is an example for you. 10 to 1, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m., 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. तो टाइम को हम क्लास इंटरवल में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. दैट इज व्हाई टाइम फॉर बोर्डिंग द ट्रेन कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू इंटरवल्स. दैट इज व्हाई so we can use histogram here for these datas. So yes, we can use histogram here. Next part, next question 2 is here. The shoppers who come to departmental store are marked as man, woman, boy, girl. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hours in the morning. किसी शॉप में, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर में जो फर्स्ट आवर में इतने लोगों ने विजिट किया है. देखिए, W stand for woman and G for girl and B for boy and M for man. देखिए how many are there. So first of all we have to means we can count them, and the question is make a frequency a distribution table using telemark. Means we also have to use here telemarks and then draw a bar graph to illustrate it. Yes. So for the frequency distribution table here we have four shoppers, that is men, women, boys and girls, and Then we say how many telemarks and frequency here. How many men are there? We can count here men. हम ये पता करते हैं कि मैन कितने मैन ने यहाँ पे विजिट किया फर्स्ट आवर में. तो देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So 15 men visited during the first hour. So we have written here, this is 15 in place of frequency. And telemark is then 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15. And then now woman, how many women we visited here? This is 28. Can we count here? 28. See here. कैसे 28 आया देखिए. This is W stand for woman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So these are 28. You can again count here 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So we can mark here in place of the frequency column, that is 28. And this is the telemark for this 5 and 5 and 5 and 5 and 5, 25 plus 3. Then we come to boys. How many boys visited the departmental store during the first hour? So we can count here. It should be 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first hours में 5 boys ने departmental store visit किया है. So this is boys. Telemark is 5, and this is frequency means number of boys, that is 5. And then girls. Here, how many girls visited here? See here. I already have written it is 12 here, but how it is 12? See, count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I think one more is there. So we can again count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So total number of girls are 12. So now total means the of man, woman, boys and girls. When you add 15 plus 28 plus 5 plus 12, that will be 60. So this is frequency distribution table. But in the question, it hasn't also been asked that draw a bar graph. Draw a bar graph to explain it. So here for the bar graph, we need a graph paper. So on the x-axis, we write the number of students here. So first means number of students here. Always frequency is taken on x frequency is always taken on y-axis. This is x-axis on the graph paper, and this is y-axis. Y-axis पे हमेशा frequency को लेते हैं. ये देखिए. And we have to write here number of sopas of frequency here. And on the x-axis, always we take this articles we take here. The number means both men, woman, boys, and girls we take here. So see here. Then we draw the histogram for the men. Total 15 men are here, so that is 10, and we can also draw the scale here. Yes. Scale is here is on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 unit, means 10%. That is equal to 1 centimeter. Here to here it is also 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. But 1 centimeter means 10 unit, means 10% here. यहाँ पे ये जो 1 सेंटीमीटर होगा उसका स्केल हमने बनाया है 10 यूनिट्स मींस 10% here. So how many men are there? Men are 15. So here this is 10 and this is 15. You draw a means rectangle here. This is bar here. So for the men, total men are 15. And then woman, total women are 28. So this is woman, right here W. W stands for woman. And this is 28 here. And then boys are 5. So we can mark here 5 boys. See here. B stand for boys and that is equal to 5. So height should be 5 here. So that is boys are 5. So height should be 5 here. And for girls, girls are 12 here. So here that is 12. This is 12 here. So height of this rectangle should be 12. And here you will find that this is the complete bar graph here. Men 15, women 28, boys 5, and number of girls 12. On x-axis, you write so first, on and y-axis, you write means frequency, and this is all about the bar graph here. यही bar graph है. इनको attractive बनाने के लिए हम इनको bars को color कर सकते हैं. Now, next question. Your next question is the weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are. वीकली एक जो 7 दिन का वीक होता है उसका जो उनका जो मीन्स वेजेस है उनको जो पैसा मिलता है 30 वर्कर्स को ये है 830 rupees, 835 rupees, 890 rupees, 810 rupees and so on. Here you will see the highest, the minimum salary, the minimum income here is I think 806, 806. You can also find out. आप यहाँ पे देखिए मिनिमम कितना है तो देखिए ये है 806 yes और मैक्सिमम कितना है देखिए यहाँ पे इट इज 890 890 800 आई थिंक 890 इज द मैक्सिमम. एंड यूजिंग टेलीमार्क्स मेक अ फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल. यहाँ पे हमें फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल बनाना है और उसका जो क्लास इंटरवल रखेंगे 800 to 810. देखिए क्लास साइज यहाँ पे 10 है मींस 800 to 810, then 810 to 820, then next will be 820 to 830. तो ये हमारा क्लास इंटरवल रहेगा. तो देखिए दिस इज आवर क्लास इंटरवल 800 to 810 and last is 890. So this will be 810, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 890 and 900. ये हमारा क्लास इंटरवल है. And we know that this is continuous kind of class interval. Continuous का मीनिंग ये हुआ कि जो फर्स्ट क्लास है उसका अपर लिमिट 810 है और जो सेकंड क्लास है उसका लोअर लिमिट भी 810 है. इसका मीनिंग ये हुआ कि हमें 810 को लोअर लिमिट में कंसीडर करना चाहिए. तो सी हाउ टू डू, हाउ टू मीन्स राइट इट इज रिटर्न 800 to 810, then 810 to 820, 820 to 830. So how to read? इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? 802 less than 810. This means 810 to less than 820. See here, it is 820 to लेस देन 830। इसका मीनिंग ये हुआ कि इसमें 800 से लेके काउंट करेंगे, लेकिन 810 नहीं, 810 से कम। मीन्स वी कैन कंसिडर हियर अप टू 809 बट नॉट 810। तो देखिए, आप काउंट करिए, यहां से काउंट करना शुरू करें। यस, सो हियर वी राइट हियर टेलीमार्क एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी। हमने पहले से ही एक कॉलम बना लिया इनके, देखो सी हियर 810 to less than 800, sorry, 800 to 810, less than 810 will be 3 here. मैंने पहले लिखा, देखिए 3 कैसे, I have to count here, 3 means, see here, which 3, see, 800 से लेके 809 तक हमें इसमें कंसिडर करना है। तो देखिए ये 800, ये रहा 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. So 800 से लेके less than 810, there are 3 of these persons are there. Yes, 3 workers are there. Now for the next part, for 810 to less than 820, आप यहाँ पे count करें, देखिए, I'm going to count here. 810 810 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, लेकिन लेस देन 820 मीन्स 819 तक हम यहाँ पे लिख पाएंगे। देखिए 810 ये रहा 1, देन 812, ये देखिए ये दो ही हैं बिटवीन 810 टू लेस देन 820, सो द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 2 हियर। And now for 820 to 830, 820 से लेके मीन्स 820 इसमें काउंट होगा, लेकिन लेस देन 830। Yes, we can consider up to 829 rupees. So means consider here. You will see here. See, 820 से 830. Yes, means I consider here only 1 is there. This is not, this is not, this is not. Eight hundred 20 to 830. 800 आप भी देखिए, yes, this is 820 here. So I can mark here this one. So this is 1 here. Similarly, for 830 to 840, 830 count लेंगे, लेकिन less than 840 होना चाहिए. This will be 9 here. You can count here. I have given you the method how to do it, and then you will find that 850 to less than 860, and last 890 to 900. So that is 3, 2, 1, 9, 5, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, and this total is what? 30. 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. The total is 3, and this is all about a frequency distribution table for the given data. Next question for you. The same table is given here. but now the question is different. ड्रॉ ए हिस्टोग्राम, जो ये इंफॉर्मेशन है उसका हमें हिस्टोग्राम बनाना है. मैड फॉर द डेटा इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 था और इसका क्लास इंटरवल इज दिस, और इस क्लास इंटरवल से हमें बनाना है हिस्टोग्राम फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. First of all, then how to draw the histogram here? Say for the histogram, always frequency is taken on y-axis. Frequency को हम y-axis पे लेते हैं और class interval is always taken on x-axis. So here, that is class interval. I have taken 800 to 810, 810 to 820, 820 to 830. It is written over here, and last is 890 to 900. It is written over here. And what is written over here means that is class interval means what? That is weekly wages in rupees. You can also write here in rupees. Wages का मतलब है जो उनको पैसा मिलता है, तनख्वाह मिलती है, पगार मिलती है, that is. Yes. And on the y-axis, always you take the frequency here. So this is frequency here. Number of workers. 800 से less than 810 rupees मिलता है 3 वर्कर को. 810 to less than 820 rupees मिलता है 2 workers को. It means the frequency of the class 800 to 810 3. For the second, the frequency is 2. For the third, the frequency is 1. So we write like this. So this is all about this. See here. We take the scale here on the y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. That is 1 centimeter, and this is equal to 1 unit. On the x-axis, we write that this is the broken line. It means we have assumed broken line का meaning ये हुआ कि यहाँ से हमने start किया from 0. This is 0. और यहाँ हमने कंसीडर किया कि this is equal to 810. ये हमारा अजम्पशन है, सपोजिशन है. हमने सपोज कर लिया है कि ये जो गैप है, ये जो डिस्टेंस है यहाँ से लेके ओरिजिन से लेके यहाँ तक, वो 800 है. It is not 800. This is 800 because lower limit is 800, and this is a sign of supposition. अगर हमारा ये हिस्टोग्राम 0 से स्टार्ट होता तो हमें यहाँ ये इसका यूज करने का जरूरत नहीं था. So this broken line is very necessary if you do not start with 0 here. तो देखिए, and now 800 to 810 class interval, 3 workers are there, so this is 3. 810 to 820 in class interval, number of workers are 2, so this is 2. For 820 to 30, that is number of workers 1, so the height of the 1, that is 1. 830 and to in the class interval 830 to 840, the workers are 9, so here it is 9, so class this is the 9. 840 to 50, that is 5, so this is 5. We have drawn here one more bar, means one rectangle. Joined rectangles are here. And for 850 to 860, that is given 1. So height here, it is 1. It is 1. So see here, it is 1. 860 to 870, that is 3, because it is 860 to 870, it is 3. 870 to 880, that is only 1. It is given 1. So the height is 1. Again for 880 to 890, that is 1. So that is also 1. And 890 rupees to 900. The number of workers means frequency is 4. So here it is 4. This is 4. So we have drawn this histogram here, and this is all about the histogram. इसी को हम histogram कहते हैं. Now we have to give answers of some questions here. Question number 1. Which group has the maximum number of workers? कौन सा ग्रुप है जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा वर्कर्स है? देखिए ये रहा. The maximum workers in the means in the group 830 to 840, and that is 9. सबसे ज्यादा यही है. So our answer will be 830 and 840 in the, that is the answer. This is the answer here. And now second, how many workers earn rupees 850 and more? 850 and more. 850 and more, that is C. देखिए ये 850 और इससे ज्यादा, ये सारे के सारे से ज्यादा 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. देखिए आई एम राइटिंग द आंसर हियर. यहां से स्टार्ट करते हैं. 850 ये रहा. इससे बाद में ये भी है. ये देखिए 1 then 3 then 1 then 1 then 4. So answer can be here. That is 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. 1 3 1 1 1 1 4. तो टोटल हो गया तो 10. So total 10 workers earn 8 rupees 850 or more. And the last part of this question is how many workers earn less than 850. 850 से कितने वर्कर्स है जो कम कमाते हैं? देखिए यहां से स्टार्ट करिए. इसके बैक में आइए. देखिए 5 9 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. टोटल कितना हो गया? देखिए from this and this, that is 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5. टोटल वर्कर्स को आप ऐड करिएगा and you will get here the answer. The answer is 20. So total 8 means 20 workers are there who earn less than 850 rupees. देखिए 850 ये इससे ज्यादा कमाते हैं इतने, और इधर से लेफ्ट में आएंगे ये 850 से कम कमाते हैं. Right? So that's all about this question. And now the last question here. And this is case study based question. We can say, we read the question here carefully. The number of hours for which students of a particular class watched television during holidays is shown through the given graph. ये हिस्टोग्राम हमें दे रखा है और इसमें ये दे रखा है कि कितने स्टूडेंट है, कितने टाइम वो टीवी देखते हैं. And now we have to answer some questions here. For how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? कितने आवर्स? देखिए मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट है 32 स्टूडेंट्स है और उन्हें कितना आवर्स के बीच में देखा? 4 to 5. So you can write here, see here, that is 4 to 5. So the answer of the first part of this question is yes. Number 1. Number 2, how many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? Less than 4 hours देखिए इससे लेफ्ट चलना पड़ेगा. ये 22 and this is 8 and this is 4. सबको ऐड करिए. Add all these, you will get the answer here. The total number is here is, that is can you add here? Please add here. That is 22 plus 8 plus 4. So 34. This is the answer of the second part. 34 स्टूडेंट ऐसे हैं जो जो 4 आवर्स से कम टीवी देखते हैं. कि यहां से आइए 22 8 and 4. अगर ये पूछते हैं कि हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स वॉच मोर देन 4 आवर्स, तो ये वाला कंसीडर करते हैं हम. 32 and this 8 and 6. Yes. And now the part third is how many students spend more than 5 hours watching TV. 5 और उससे ज्यादा आवर में कितना टीवी देखते हैं? देखिए ये रहा. We can say 8 and 6. So total 8 plus 6, that in 14 students. 14 students spend more than 5 hours watching TV. So the answer of the third part is, and this is the answer. And this is the answer of the second part. Students, that's all for this class. Thank you.